This video walks you through how to connect Zapier to Google Sheets. Begin by signing in to your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click App Connections. This area shows the apps linked to your Zapier workspace. On that page, click the button labeled Create Connection to start adding a new app connection. Zapier will open a search window with available apps. In the search field, type Google Sheets. When Google Sheets appears in the list, select it and then click Continue. This moves you to the account connection screen, where Zapier will ask you to sign in with the Google account you want to use. Click Sign In to open the Google Sign-In window. If you already have more than one Google account available in your browser, Google may show a list first. Choose the account you want to connect to Zapier. Make sure you select the correct account before continuing, especially if you use separate accounts for personal files and work files. After you choose the account, Google will display a permission screen. Review the access Zapier is requesting for Google Sheets. This is the point where you confirm that Zapier can interact with the spreadsheets in that account. If everything looks correct, click Allow to authorize the connection. Once permission is granted, Zapier will return to its connection flow and begin verifying the account. This may take a few moments. During this brief wait, Zapier checks that the authorization was accepted and that the account can be used properly. When the verification finishes, the connection process is complete. Next, go back to the App Connections page in Zapier. Look through your list of connected apps and confirm that Google Sheets now appears there. You should also see a connected status next to it. This is the first confirmation that the account has been linked successfully. To verify access more directly, find a Google Sheets connection in the list and click Test Connection. Zapier will run a quick check to make sure it can access your account successfully. If the connection is valid, the test will complete without any further action needed from you. If Zapier prompts you to review the account, follow the on-screen message and confirm you are still using the intended Google account. With the connection confirmed, your Google Sheets account is ready to use inside Zapier. You can now select it when building Zaps and use it in other automations that rely on spreadsheet data, rows, or updates from your Google Sheets files. Your Google Sheets account is now connected to Zapier and ready to use in App Connections, Zaps, and other Zapier automations.